Danger has been synonymous with machines for a long time since its inception, and this doesn't come as a shocker. So in this video, we'll look at some powerful, dangerous and incredible machines you ought to lay your eyes upon. Do sit back and enjoy how brilliance and creativity meets danger and power. Number 1. The Argus Recycling Mobile Shredder. Developed by the company Argus for recycling purposes, this shredder is used to dispose of old and unusable vehicles, but this is no ordinary disposal. This huge machine shreds and rips apart these vehicles and their parts like they were paper. Makes you wonder about the various forces in play as the machine parts get to work in making mincemeat out of their prey. These poor vehicle parts, be it plastic or metal. This process, from shredding to debris, can be a satisfying or horror sight for some, depending on how it is viewed. So be careful not to be close to this magnificent beast to avoid being shredded. Number 2. The Auriga AG Claw Machine. Regarding building construction, different building types are characterized by the materials used, the style used in the building and others. So as differences in buildings come, the demolition of these buildings also differs. For instance, there is a wooden structure that can be easily demolished with less sophisticated machines. A building consisting of reinforced concrete requires something much stronger, and this is where the Auriga AG Claw Machine comes in. This mighty machine is in the shape of an excavator having powerful claws instead of a grappler or bucket. These claws, made to destroy the strongest parts in the building, are a must-see for anyone interested in powerful machines. However, please take note that a grip from this powerful machine is very dangerous, so be careful not to be within its reach. If this is impressive enough, wait for the next item on our list, where demolition is taken to a new level. Number 3. The Hydro Demolition Aqua Cutter by Aquajet Systems. When the word demolition is mentioned, what immediately comes to mind is a gigantic machinery with heavy parts which can break apart the strongest of bonds. Still, technology and engineering advancements have made it possible for the simplest materials to be used to destroy the mightiest of things. In this case, the material used is water. Seems bizarre, right? This brings us to the Hydro Demolition Aqua Cutter from the company Aquajet Systems. This cutting-edge technology uses the laws of physics in its operation. By passing water through a tiny nozzle at a very high speed, it can act as a cutter that can cut through concrete, metal, and other hard materials. All that is needed is the positioning of the nozzle, the size of the nozzle, and the speed for cutting or demolition to be accurate. The Hydro Demolition Aqua Cutter can also be controlled remotely, which means an operator is not required on-site for the demolition to be done. And this hints at the efficiency and safety this technology provides. How cool is that? With the 3D positioning system, damaged surface on roads and buildings can also be removed using the machine, creating all-round grandeur in the demolition area. It is advised that when this machinery is in use, humans shouldn't be in close contact because contact with this pressurized water will leave behind something fatal. Number 4. The Rotor Stump Cutter by Ferry Rotor. The Rotor Stump Cutter by Ferry Rotor uses its hydraulic head and gigantic blades to cut through stumps and stems of trees to its roots. By attaching this machine to a tractor, cutting through the stems becomes easy and more efficient, and the tractor provides a balance for the forces acting on both the machine and the tree stump. This machine, with its reach in use cases, trumps over any of its counterparts available on the market by providing energy through rotation utilizing 73 to 106 kilowatts of power, which can cut through stumps up to 50 centimeters in height from the ground level, a figure quite impressive on the market of sophisticated technology. Number 5. Eccentric Ripper. This machine functions in excavations and demolitions in quarries and mines, and even works underwater. With its anti-wear steel, this machine can be used in any condition, be it on land or in water, without any worries about it getting damaged during tasks. As an additional feature to an already impressive specification, it was also made to produce less noise than any of its counterparts, making for a work-friendly environment for the workers. With precision, accuracy, and power, it digs through stone and concrete, making for work efficiency and saving cost and time. Hey, thanks for watching the video so far. To keep seeing interesting machine content, hit that subscribe button and get more engaging videos. Number 6. The hybrid lift from the Manson Group. Away from destruction and demolition, we center our focus on a machine that is capable of carrying enormous amounts of weight, the hybrid lift from the Manson Group. This lift was designed to load and unload steel coils of up to 36 tons in weight, or 120 steel coils per hour. Steel coils are important machine components in high demand, so efficient loading and unloading with time and cost effectiveness is very important for a progressive return. It can lift these steel coils to 24 meters from the ground to the air. But there's more. Its effectiveness comes from its fuel economization when put to work, which is more efficient than any other crane today. Number 7. Hydraulic Forestry Winch by Uniforest. This machine can pull down trees with 9 tons of power already incorporated into its functionality. With trees and forests involved in its task, several safety measures are already in place to prevent harm from coming to the operator and machine. For instance, there is an auto-stop feature in one of its units to ensure work done on different terrains, such as mountainous regions, can be less stressful and more efficient, which in turn improves productivity and guarantees the safety of whoever operates the machine. Number 8. The herd equipment. The herd equipment is a tilling equipment used on farmlands for planting. This equipment is attached to a tractor, which then tows it across the farmland for tilling to be carried out. This tilling prepares the land for plants to be cultivated. When the wheels of the herd equipment cuts into the soil with its thin wheels, the part of the soil where nutrients reside comes to the top. This is made possible by the arrangement of the wheels, which are angular to the soil and main body of the machine, thereby allowing more dirt to be removed from the soil surface and nutrient-filled part to be exposed. Number 9. The Chemrock Cutting Machine. This is a cutting machine by Chemrock, which is a cutter attachment employing a blade that spins and cuts into stone walls with ease. This cutting is done for structural supports to be installed for buildings or for planting explosives. This equipment can cut holes of up to 15 centimeters in diameter, and this number can go up depending on the size of the cutting accessory attached. This machine's ease of use is one of its most distinctive features, with intuitive controls which enable operators to maneuver the equipment with minimal effort, which in turn reduces fatigue and increases productivity. This makes it a good choice for those who are professionals and those who are new to the field. Number 10. The Westech Woodcracker. Finally on our list today is the Westech Woodcracker, which is a cost-efficient machinery that can split trunks ranging from various size in length and thickness. Its immense power enables it to split these trunks for easier transportation. Its robust design and range of capabilities make it a force to be reckoned with in the logging and forestry industry. With its optimization of splitting large volumes of wood, time and resources are saved, enhancing profitability for the companies involved. And there you have it, remarkable machines that push the boundaries of power, innovation and engineering. Which one impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more similar content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to stay updated whenever we post new videos. Remember to stay tuned for more mind-blowing content on our channel. Until next time.